So Jordan Brand again with Don C. Shouts out to Chicago, Chi-Town, what up? The Air Jordan Legacy 312. Let's see what's this about. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live again at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. We have another early unboxing look at the Don C Air Jordan Legacy 312. So this shoe was brought to you by Don C. Of course, if you guys have been following Nike, you know he's done a variety of collaborations, whether it be Air Force One, he has the Jordan 2s, which is pretty famous for. So this is just another add-on to his design lineage with Nike with the 312 Air Jordan Legacy. So we're gonna start off with the first colorway here, which is a ghost green, has the blue box, you guys can see here, with the silver detailing. So we've got the metallic silver Air Jordan logo there. We've got the Just Don right there on the box top. Also features a Jumpman logo right on the back of the box. But let's unbox these and let me know what you think. They release on July 14th and they release in 5 colorways, but we're bringing to you the ghost green first, and that is what you guys see right here in my hand. The Air Jordan Legacy 312 Ghost Green. So this is the mashup of a variety of different shoes. We have the Air Jordan 1, the Air Jordan 3, and also the Alpha Force Low, I believe. So Don C believes that the Air Jordan 3 is a foundation of the Jordan Brand company, which is why you see the Jordan Brand, the Air Jordan 3 midsole, outsole right here with the exposed air unit, of course. And as we get to the upper, you'll see the Air Jordan 1 logo right there along with the swoosh. It's full green throughout the top with the elephant print hits right there, along with the strap located right above the toe box area. And as we get to the laces, these come with tonal green laces, ghost green laces. And the tongue, of course, bears the Just Don. So as we get to the back panel of the shoe, you once again get a hit of the Air Jordan 3 with this Jumpman logo right there with the Air, classic to the back tabs of all Air Jordan 3s. And as we get to the outsole, you'll see predominantly gray throughout the outsole with the ghost green here, and also the ghost green up towards the toe box along with the white hit in the middle. On the right foot, only difference is the right foot bears the white laces, so they come with an additional set of laces. Another interesting detail that we have here on the insole right there, it bears the Just Don logo, which says Beaverton, Italy, and Chicago. And of course, in case you guys don't already know, which I believe that you know already, Just Don is from Chicago, which is why this shoe is a nod to 312, which is Chicago. So shouts out to the Chi-Town. But one last look at the ghost green Air Jordan Legacy 312, brought to you by Don C. And this is available early here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Please visit stadiumgoods.com if you have any questions or inquiries about anything regarding Stadium Goods. Like and share all of our videos on YouTube and on Facebook. And last but not least, please make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at Stadium Goods. I am Fresco BK, and salud.